This is my mind map for the sport I've chosen, which is cricket, and as you can see there are speed time graphs here and here down the corner. There for when the top one is for when you're fielding. You need to be able to run in every time, so you're prepared for the ball when it's coming. On the bottom one, you need it's when you're batting. You'll have short sprints up and down the wicket. Acceleration and deceleration are in use for when you are fielding or bowling. You'll have to accelerate up to get to the place where you need to be when you're running to catch the ball, and decelerate to control yourself. When you're bowling, you have to accelerate for the run up, then decelerate after. Rotation is in use. For when you're bowling, you have to rotate your arm around. Velocity. When you're running up and down the wicket, you run in short, speedy bursts. And then Newton's first law is when an object is in motion, it will remain in motion until acted upon by another force, and it is proven when the cricket ball leaves the bowler's hand, it goes, it will remain in motion until acted on by another force, which is the cricket bat. Newton's third law: so every force applied, there is an equal force applied in the opposite direction. So when the ball is hit, it will be when the ball is hit, it will be the batsman will feel the same force on his bat than he did when he hit it. So the first thing we do is forces. But the forces there. There is air resistance. There's forward force. There's drag or air resistance. There's friction, and there's the reaction force and gravity pulling the car down. But common injuries in cricket. Forces can be used in cricket when it's drag when it's behind the ball when it's being hit in the air, or the runner if he's running to get the ball. And gravity is when the ball is being hit into the air. Gravity will pull it down, and gravity will pull it down, and drag will oppose the force. Common injuries in cricket they tend to be to the shoulder or to the hands, because you catch with your hands, and fast bowlers should have injuries because they rotate their arm at high speeds regularly. You can also injure yourself when the ball hits you in the body, as shown in the picture. This can hurt a lot because there's a lot of force going in with the ball into a certain place of your body. There is also projectile. I will show you a video of some injuries in cricket. These were both from when the ball hit a player, and they seem to go down with a lot of pain because such incredible power went into them. The final point is projectile, and the projectile behind the projectile is the distance travelled behind the ball. And so if a ball has been hit by a bat, it will have a certain projectile, and the optimum height, the highest height reached by the ball at any of the point of its projection during the ball's flight, and the path followed by the projectile is the trajectory. This can be used in cricket because batsmen will want to know the optimum projectile and how much power they need to find this projectile to hit big scores. The links to this are